Exploring JSON data handling in JavaScript. Welcome, fellow coders, to another exciting JavaScript animation tutorial. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of JSON data handling in JavaScript. Definition of JSON. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. Advantages of JSON. JSON offers several advantages over traditional data formats, such as XML. It's concise, easy to understand, and widely supported across different programming languages. Plus, it's the perfect choice for transmitting data between a server and a web application. Now, let's dive into some code examples to see how we can work with JSON data in JavaScript. First, let's create a simple JSON object representing a person's information. Parsing JSON data. Let's learn how to parse JSON data in JavaScript. We can parse a JSON string using the JSON parse method. Stringifying JavaScript objects. Conversely, if we have a JavaScript object and we want to convert it into a JSON string, we can use the JSON stringify method. Handling JSON errors. When working with JSON data, it's essential to handle errors gracefully. JSON parsing and stringifying operations can throw exceptions if the data is malformed. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to handle JSON data like a pro in your JavaScript applications. JSON provides a flexible and efficient way to exchange data between a server and a client, and with JavaScript's built-in methods, working with JSON has never been easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on JavaScript and web development.